So yeah, I'm shooting this video from the comfort of my bed. This is that Wolfdog brass padlock from China that Randy Perkins sent me. I did find out I got I think it's a 15 thousandths Euro pick. I did already have a go at this and was able to pick it pretty easy. So let's see if I can do it again. Alright, super small keyway. There we go. Pretty easy. It actually took me a lot longer than the first time. But I like having such a small keyway to mess with. And yeah, I'm going to move on to the Ruko and see how that one treats me. I don't think I'm going to have as easy of a time with that. And yes, I'm filming this from the comfort of my bed. I've been sick all week. Lots of fun. Anyhow, next time I record anything, I hope to be at least sitting on my couch, looking not any more professional, but yeah, laying in my bed, very unprofessional. Until next time.